Hey, it's Brad from the Millwork Outlet. Today we're going to show you a quick video on how to install one of our hottest selling products. It's Slat wall. Here at the Millwork Outlet, we make all of our products out of real American hardwood. And one of the questions we get is, how do I join two pieces together along the wall when I don't have a piece long enough to cover the full span? Commonly you would use a butt joint, which is just taking two square joints, putting them together. The problem with that is you do see the seam a little bit more. So we're going to show you a little bit advanced tip on how to do that. It's called the scarf joint, where we're going to cut an angle, typically between 15 and 30 degrees. It doesn't really matter. It's just enough to get an angle to show, put the two boards together. It makes the joint less visible. So we'll show you that now. There you have it, guys. This is a quick and easy way to install slat wall. Even when you're molding and trim, anytime you have to join two pieces together and you don't want to see the joint, as you can see here, the scarf joint, it has a much cleaner look, hides that shadow line a little bit, and with some wood filler, and once you finish your product, this joint will all but disappear. So we appreciate your business and have a great day.